Hello, I'm Patrick Magee with the Stan Winston School of Character Arts. Welcome to Articulated Monster Masks, Part 2. In today's course, you're going to learn how to make a negative mask mold. We'll be showing you how to cut apart your sculpture so we can mold the ears individually separate from the face. Approach your mold like you're making a tool. You're basically making a tool that someone else is going to use. So even as simple as if we're doing a fiberglass mold, you want to make sure you sand the outside so you're not giving somebody fiberglass splinters. The other great thing about this mold making course is you can take these techniques and apply them to other projects, such as puppets, large and small, different types of masks, and even makeup techniques. At the end of today's course, I hope you feel more confident to make more complex molds for a more complex creature using a multitude of different materials. We got a lot of molds to make, so let's get started.